Welcome to Expedition 71. My name is Muhammad. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the JK hood latches to the new version of the JL. If you are familiar with the design of the hood latches of the JK, you'll notice that this mount and the upper mount are connected with this rubber. Over the year, the rubber becomes very weak and in my case, it cracked. Another reason for me to change the hood latches is if you notice while driving the JK on the highway, the hood becomes very loose and it bumps up. Fixing the hood latches is very simple. We need to pop the hood. And we have to undo 3 bolts. 2 of them are here and 1 is inside. Using a 13mm socket, I'll undo the lower mount. The upper mounts, they are using 10mm sockets. I will do this part first and then I will shoot with you the process of doing it for the other one. Make sure when buying the hood latches of the GL that you buy both the upper mount and the lower mount, as they are sold separately. This is how the JK hood latch fits. In order to install the JL, we will need to drill these holes. As you can see, these mounts are a little bit further from the one of the JLs. Now we need to drill the holes so we can enlarge these holes and we can adjust the upper mount. After installing the hood latch, make sure that you adjust the upper mount so that you have a perfect line from the hood and the fender. You see I have this big gap that I need to adjust. I need to raise the upper mount a little bit so it can compress more. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any questions about the process of the install, please leave them in the comments and then I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks so much.